Welcome to Jackie's Plant Haven. Today's short feature is one of my favorite roses, Buxom Beauty. This Buxom Beauty hybrid tea rose makes a stunning appearance in your garden. This shade of pink is just absolutely eye-catching and bold. It's an added beauty to see the raindrops on the flower petals. This one has opened up a little bit more since the rain fell. The hybrid tea rose has long stems that branches off to give you many flowers, which is pretty good for cut arrangements. Deadheading the rose gives it a chance to rebloom, and it's a simple process. Simply look for where there are 5 sets of leaflets and you cut above that. Most times you'll see like 3 leaflets. You just check for where you see 5, cut above that, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!